so easy because it's already planned for it. It's just using crystals and frames.
Yes.
And it's so simple. You don't have to be an artist and paint the stupid spider anymore. Quit doing that because it's too much work. And you know what? You make more money doing crystals. And it's faster and more fun.
Hey Dom, how are you? So we're using a premium chamfer foil.
Hello, Dom. I can't wait to see you. You guys she's not going to be in Orlando with us. Oh, well, we won't see you in Orlando, but we'll see you soon. But everybody else, if you're going to Orlando, don't forget to check us out at Premier Orlando. What's our booth number?
6851.
6851. If you can't remember that, because I can't, you can always look on the app. They have an app for Premier Orlando. Come visit us, see our whole team live in person, except for Dom. You get to see Dom. Dom just had a baby, you guys. She's got to take care of her baby.
First, and then...
Always first.
Look at that.
I know, it's so freaking cute.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
We'll just give a little bit
like
mean. The pumpkin is so
though.
mean though.
I want the pumpkin. I want the mean pumpkin.
But then I'm gonna have the...
I know, but I like the scrolling, like thorns with
Okay,
the...
so let the spider eat the pumpkin.
Oh my God. My favorite is the claw. When the claw grabs the pumpkin. The claw, you guys, it's in new arrivals under our Halloween. What is it? It's like baby mixture or something like Halloween. And it's under new arrivals.
My gosh.
But oh my God, it's so cute.
If you just
You
simple
got
like this.
so much of the pumpkin and I love it.
Yeah.
It's adorable.
I got half of it. It's
mean. Look at how the cat eye moves.
And it changed, it's chant for everything.
Yeah. So I don't know if our cat eye has chrome flake in it or what, but the shine on it, you guys, is like chrome flake. It's ridiculous. My clients are loving it.
They're like, oh my gosh.
They're like, Vicky, it's so shiny.
It's cool. It's like it's had a combinations of aurora and then the cat eyes.
Yeah, but it's almost like a chrome flake in there, like a chrome silver flake. It's so bright.
All right, so we're gonna first step with condensed glue gels. If you don't want anything else on, you are good to go. Top coat here for 60 seconds. You're good to go. So you're at 2 techniques right now. One is cat eyes, and second technique is chamfer foil. Then we're going to add the third techniques here.
And don't forget, you guys, every technique is going to make you more money. You can stop right here, but who wants to stop there? I always want more. More. I'm a little extra, though. Except for right now, I'm working in the warehouse, and so I have plain.
But her nails will last.
Oh
Get the gels on, last.
My nails been forever. I have the gel on nails. You guys, it's like so fast. And then I fill it with the nail tip extension glue. It's amazing. My nails have been on 6 weeks right now.
It's a bomb.
But I'll redo them again for Orlando.
For Orlando.
Yeah.
So I have the frame right here. And if your frame it doesn't give you the length exact what you want, you just cut it.
Can anybody tell it's a spider?
Huh?
Look at it. It looks like eyelashes, but it's gonna be a spider.
These are eyelashes.
I know. Doesn't it look like gold eyelashes?
Yeah.
Hey, we should come out with that. It's like glitzy lashes in gold.
Gold lashes.
Hey, I've had purple lashes before. Nancy did purple on me, black and purple.
And when I put this one, it's really simple.
So what is the one? It's like a SS12 for the head?
Yes.
SS12. SS12 for the head, and then just like a teardrop,
or a
flame for the back,
for the bottom. Whatever you want to call that.
If your customer has smaller nails, then choose from the crystal kit with the smaller crystals, and that'll be fine. You just, depending on what length their nail is, it depends on what size body you choose.
Yeah, there's smaller size for the...
Yeah, you can do a tiny spider, no trouble, and then you just cut the legs smaller. Then you can get like 3 legs out of 1 frame.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I remember so many years I have painted a spider. And it's so much work. You have to do the detail. You have to do the different shading because otherwise you can't just do black or it looks horrible. Mm-hmm. So you have to do all the shading and then you have to do little dots and blah, 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 blah. Now, I just do crystal. It's so much easier.
Yeah, there's some of our classic design too. So if any of you've been following us for the last 3-4 years, you remember about a couple of years back. This is some of the very first Halloween design we did. That
Yeah.
spider, red and gold spider.
But if you're painting this, trying to get the 8 legs in there is so freaking hard.
This one have perfect legs.
Yeah, it's so easy with the metal frames. It's just like bam, bam, bam. There's all your legs. You're done.
So see, the spiders come in and eat the rotten pumpkin.
Yep. So you have Spider Hero come in and eat the
Spider Hero. That is
So
funny.
we can add some. We're gonna have
What are
some.
you gonna add?
Just a couple of the. If you want the couple
Oh, the
of
glow in
the
the dark
glow in the
crystal?
dark one, so
Oh my
then
God. This is my favorite crystal kit.
you can do the same
I've been
and let
using
it glow. So this one, when you're going it like inside, it's gonna glow the same color. If you don't want it, you can put some the cover orange one as well.
I love this one. This is my favorite crystal kit. I use it all summer because it's kind of pastel, but then it's so appropriate for this season because it glows in the dark. So it's like so perfect Halloween. The other thing perfect for Halloween, oh my God, my velvety gels that you did on my nails.
The glow in the dark.
Oh my God, the glow in the dark, so amazing. It glows all day.
It's like just like we went to the room on yesterday. And said,
Yeah, because your
"Vicky,
nails glow. Look at how cute that is.
That was cute, huh?
And I like that you use the texture frame and the smooth frame together.
She had a little bit.
No, it looks good. I think, I either do all texture or all smooth, but I think mixing it is amazing.
Yeah.
She's like she more aggressive spider.
Oh my God.
So Jaleesa on YouTube, yeah. So for cat eyes, just don't go too crazy. Don't go up, down, left, right on it. Just do one stroke. Nice and easy, going slow.
Sometimes Instagram it just or video it just make it ruin everything because if you go in so many
Well, you see
direction.
some people, they like, I don't know what you want to call it, activate.
Mm-hmm.
They activate the left, they activate the right, the bottom, and the top, and then I get nothing.
you
That
activate
doesn't
and-
work. Somehow, I don't know how, I see some different TikTokers do that, and it doesn't work. You just activate both sides, right? And then that's it.
One size is
One
good.
stroke.
One side.
One stroke is good.
Yeah.
So flash here first.
activate one side and then push your